Assalamu alaikum. It's time to read the second paragraph of المدن الإسلامية كيف كان تخطيطها وبناؤها. We already read the first paragraph in the previous video. Now it's time for the second paragraph. Let us see. وكان means was. يخططون خطط يخطط means planning. يخططون planning. They are planning. وكان يخططون means they were planning in the past. They were planning. Who were planning? الذين, the people, or those who were planning. li means for. Those who were planning for. Bina'in means for building. Al-mudun means the cities. Those people, those who were planning for the cities, yura'auna, they were making sure. Yura'auna means they were giving importance. They were giving importance, or they were making sure. Who? The people those were planning. What they were making sure? They were making sure that Marakizul Hukuma. We're gonna see the meaning of takunu later. Wait. So they were making sure that Marakizul Hukuma, the government centers, governors centers or government centers. Marakas, center. Hukuma means ruling center or government centers. Wadaurul Imara, and governor's residence, governor's house. Okay, Darul Imara means governor's residence or governor's house. So government centers, governor's house, wal masajid, and the mosques, Wad dawaween, and administrative offices. So there are four things. Marakizul Hukuma, Wadaurul Imara, governor's residence, wal masajid, mosques, Wad dawaween, and administrative office. This would be, and takuna. Now comes the meaning of takun. Would be, will be, or will be built, or will be staying. These things will be staying. Marakiz al-Hukuma wa Darul Imara wal Masajid wa Dawawin. These things will be fi wasat al-Madina. Fi means in. Wasat means in the middle or in the center. Fi wasat al-Madina means in the middle of the city, in the center of the city. Okay. So the people, from the very beginning, the people, those who were the people, those who were planning to build the cities, they were making sure. What they were making sure? They were making sure that this one, and this one, and this one, takun, will be. These things, these four things, Marakizul Hukuma, Darul Imara, al Masha, Dawawin, these things will be in the middle of the city. These things will be established directly in the middle of the city. For what? Litashil. All right, li means for. Tashil, to facilitate or to make easier. Tashil means to make easier. Sahala yusahilu. What they want to make easier? They want to make easier the connection. Ittisal means connection. Nas means people. The connection of the people. They wanted to make the connection of the people easier. Bihadihil amakin. Bi means with. Hadihil means this. Amakin means makan, places. Amakin. Bihadihil amakin. People's connection with these places. So why the people, those who were planning, what they were making sure? They are making sure that all the government things will be situated in the middle of the city, in the Wasat al-Madina, to make the people's connection. Okay, it is us to make the people's connection easier. The seal bihadil amakin, with these places. With these places means these four things. Marakiz al-Hukuma. Fayatasanna lahum. It was possible. Yatasanna means possible. It was possible lahum, for them, for the people. Lahum means for the people. Yatasan means it was easier for them. What it was easier? Ada ul fara'id. Ad-diniyya. Diniyya means religious. Fara'id means obligatory duties. Ada means maintain. So it was easier for them, means for the people, to maintain obligatory religious duties, right? Mean jihatin, in one hand. Okay, mean jihad means in one hand. That means in one side, it was possible. It was possible for the people to maintain their religious duties with what? With mosque. Since mosque is in the middle of the city, so it was possible for them to pray salat. It was possible for them to do all the religious duties in the mosques, right? In one hand. In another hand, mean jihad in ukhra here. I would like to start from here. In one hand, it was possible for the people to maintain obligatory religious duties. In another hand, mean jihad in ukhra. In another hand, ومراجعة الدواوين. Okay, this yatasanna will work here too. This yatasanna, that means it was possible. This will work here too. ومراجعة. Okay, so for yatasanna, it was possible to go to administrative office. Muraja'a means to visit or go. So it was possible for the people to visit administrative offices لقضاء, to accomplish masalihim, to fulfill their needs. Masalih means to fulfill their needs. Him means there. Masalih means needs. Qada means to accomplish, to fulfill. Dawawin means administrative office. Muraja means visit. So the writer is trying to say is that in one hand, means jihatin ukhra means in one hand, it was possible for the people to maintain their religious fara'id, since the mosque is situated in the city. In another hand, means jihatin ukhra, it was possible it was possible for the people to muraja'a, to visit at Dawawin, the administrative office, to fulfill qada, to fulfill their needs in another side, right? So they were able to maintain everything together. They were able to go to mosque, they were able to go to the government office. وَكَانُوا يَهْتَمُّونَ, they used to care. Okay, they gave importance. They used to emphasize, as well as. Kadalika means as well as. Yahtammuna means giving importance. So they used to give importance as well as, at the same time. We can say at the same time, as well as, similarly. These words we can use, these three words. Kadalik, similarly, at the same time, as well as. They used to give importance bi wasa'il tarfih. Wasa'il means medium. Tarfins means entertainment or recreation. Wasa'il means medium, or we could say ways, ways. So the way the people, those who used to plan here, the way the people used to plan all these things, all the government things, all the masjid things, at the same time, kadalika, they used to care, they used to give importance to the recreational facilities. Wasailul tarfi means recreational or entertainment facilities. Okay, entertainment facilities. Li sukkan. Sukkan means for the citizens, for the population, for the people, for the denizens. Okay, they used to care. وَكَانُوا يَهْتَمُّونَ. And kana yahtamuna will work also here after that. Bi tajmeel, they would also give importance to beautify. Tajmeel means to beautify. Okay, bi tajmeel, beautify as-sahat al-amma, the general, what? The general. Okay, wa bi tajmeel as-sahat, they used to care to beautify the sahat. Sahat means yards, or we could say park, right? Or we could say neighborhood. Al-amma means public neighborhood, public park. They used to beautify public park, right? Uh, you know, like recreational park. Okay, they used to beautify. Bil ashjar, how they used to beautify? They used to beautify different types of trees. Ashjar, shajaratun, ashjaru. Okay, and wal bark, al ma'iyah, and they used to build water pools. Okay, like lake, Lake is buhaira, but park al-ma'iyya means water pools. And wal-hadaiq, with gardens, with parks. Okay, so yeah, again another one. Mayadin al-al'ab, and with playgrounds al-mukhtalifa, different. Okay, mayadin al-al'ab means maidan. Maidan means ground. Mayadin means grounds. Al-al'ab means play. So mayadin al-al'ab means playground. Al-mukhtalifa, different types of playgrounds. Wa amakin al-raha, and the places for rest and relaxation. Al-istijmam means relaxation. Raha means rest. Amakin means place. Did you understand? So the people, they used to كان يهتمون, they used to give importance to beautify the parks, the public parks with trees. They used to beautify these public parks with trees. والبرك المائية, with water pools. والحدائق, with gardens. حديقة, حدائق. وميادين الألعاب, and with water, playgrounds, different playgrounds. مختلفة. وأماكن الراحة, and places for rest and relaxation. Did you understand? These kana yahtamuna here, these kana yahtamuna will work for this بوسائل الترفيه وللسكان and بتجميل الساحات. Okay, this will be connected. kana yahtamuna will be connected with بوسائل الترفيه and وبتجميل الساحات together. And finally, وكانوا يقيمون الأسوار, they used to establish, or they used to build. كان يقيمون, أقام يقيم means building something. Aswar is the plural form of suwarun. Suwarun means wall. Aswar means walls, okay, or boundaries. So وكانوا يقيمون الأسوار, they used to build walls. والخنادق, and they used to dig, trenches, trenches, trenches. They used to build walls and trenches حول, around المدن, around the cities. إذا اقتضى الأمر, if it is required, للدفاع عنها, to defend them. Okay, why they used to make it? إذا اقتضى الأمر. إذا اقتضى الأمر means if it is necessary in a day, at that time they will defend them. دفاع عنها means they will defend them with walls and with trenches. Okay, this is the old way to protect a city, by building walls and by building trenches. وقت الحروب, when they would protect them, when they would defend them. وقت الحروب, during war. Okay, and what else? And they used to build the suwar, the walls and trenches. وتسهيل جميع وسائل الراحة, to facilitate. تسهيل means to facilitate. جميع, all. وسائل الراحة, all sorts of rest, relaxational facilities. Okay, to facilitate all sorts of relaxational ways. والعيش, and livelihood. للسكان, for the citizens. في حالة الحصار, during the siege. Okay, حصار means during the war, we could say. So at the end, the sentence is saying that why they used to build swar, walls, and trenches, to facilitate all sorts of relaxations. والعيش, and livelihood for the citizens. في حالة الحصار, during the war. That means at that time, if anyone attacks them, they used to give shelter to the citizens with وسائل الراحة, all sorts of relaxational facilities and livelihood for their citizens, so that they can live nicely, live comfortably. They used to give comfort, okay, with these walls and خنادق. خنادق means trenches. So I believe you understood, and try to watch the video again and again. And if you have any problem with vocabularies, try to use different types of dictionaries out there, and I believe you would understand, inshallah. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.